condition it requires is experiential learning. As long as they are experiencing it, it is going to stick with them for the rest of their lives. And that is what we aim for. This activity, the Varka Head, the clay tablet, this holiday homework was given to them with the intention that they understand the life of scribes. What were the challenges, what were the skills that were required. So let's hear it from them.
My clay tablet was the first in my class. I used thermocol as its base and put emsil above it. I had to flatten the emsil to stick it on the thermocol. After that, I had to engrave the symbols upon it. I believe it was the toughest part as the emsil dries up quickly. Must have been really hard for the scribes at that time. After completing my whole message, I saw that a lot of space was left at the end. So I drew 2 smiles to cover it up. Also, this is my dictionary I made for my classmates to decipher my clay tablet.
For my project, I made a sculpture of goddess Inanna. She is the goddess of love and war from the Mesopotamian civilization. I absolutely love and adore her. When I read about her, I was absolutely fascinated. So I had to make something dedicated towards her. I made this sculpture using the reference and the inspiration of the Varka Head, also from the Mesopotamian civilization. Besides her is a coin that symbolizes war. On her forehead there are roses which symbolize the love. She also has the lapis lazuli eyes from the Varka Head inspiration. Making the sculpture was quite hard because the dough was not sticking and it was quite hard to shape it. But I managed it all.
While the activity might seem very fun, it is not as easy as it may be thought by the students. One such case happened when a clay tablet prepared by Ilma was being deciphered by Vedant.
Yes, it was my clay tablet. My clay tablet is more like a puzzle. It's not a direct message. It took me 2 attempts to make it. First, I thought of using flour as the base. And I thought it was a good idea. I engraved the symbols. It was so easy for me. And I let it dry in one corner. And the other day, when I came back from school, very excited for the results. But when I picked it up, guess what? It had a pathetic udder. My all hard work was in vain. I made my second attempt. It was successful until I spilled water on the dictionary and it got drenched up. That very moment was frustrating as well as heartwarming for me. But I decided to use that very dictionary for my friends to decode it. And it would be challenging as the symbols were unclear, and earlier historians were not provided any dictionary for decoding it. So this was a challenge for my friends.
But it was quite challenging for him to solve. Looking at the situation, Trisha decided to help him out. The subject is greatly loved by her, and she envisions herself working in the same field in the future.
I want to become an archaeologist. So this activity is a little glimpse about what I'm going to do in future. My favorite Egyptian character is Cleopatra. Though we don't read about her a lot in our textbooks, but alongside I read about her a lot, which inspired me. And because of this inspiration, I made a scroller. Also, I didn't provide any dictionary with this so that I can get to know what my classmates are going to interpret, whether they have same mindset as me or something different, because historians give their analysis on the basis of their assumptions only. So I thought, through this, I can get to know the percentage of similar mindset.
I have made my clay tablet with help of POP. Honestly speaking, it was very hard to make from POP, as we know that POP gets dried up so quickly. I have to be very fast enough to write the word and engrave the word in it. I noticed that some extra space was left, so I have added some circle to make it more beautiful. This small change made my clay tablet look very pretty. And I have also made a decoding sheet by which my friend can decode what I have written on it. And guys, guess what? It took me 3 attempts to make my clay tablet. It was really very hard, but yes, I have done.
Yes, of course.
For me, it was really fun but challenging at the same time.
If only it was possible to learn the entire history like this.
I feel very motivated. I'm excited to face the real challenges in future.
This project made me realize the importance of hard work and patience. Now this project I will remember my whole life.